The ocean is like supercharged grounding. You're getting the salt water that's very conductive. It's allowing more electrons into your system. Or if you're using something like a Morozko forage, which I have at home, which is a cold plunge, it's fully grounded system in a metal tub. And I have like 10 pounds of Epsom salts in it. So when I get in there, it's like basically a mock ocean. Obviously, it's not as good as the real thing, but it's pretty dang close. And so it feels very grounding, relaxing, energizing. So you're getting all these benefits at once. And I put it in a spot where I get pretty good sun all day on it. So it's like, that's really, really good biohacking or bioharmonizing.
Does the salt screw up the plunge at all?
It doesn't. You can absorb or dissolve a ton of salt into water. It's like very, very soluble. For the Morozko, it's really great because you don't have to clean it at all. It's self-cleaning. Really? There's a filter that's in the back portion, like in the mech space. And then there's a sieve that's inside the bottom of the tub that will collect any sort of like bigger debris. So that's the one thing you just want to kind of wipe off. But other than that, the disinfecting process is literally through ozone. Okay. So you don't have to add any chemicals. Right. It stays beautiful and pristine. And you have like a skimmer so you can like skim out like any sort of like overt debris. But other than that, like a lot of the other cold plunges, most of them that I've seen, you have to add like chemicals to keep it clean. So this ozonation is just like a real game changer. It makes the maintenance like a breeze. You don't have to do pretty much anything. I love it.
I'm excited for the Morozko. They're sending me one. I should have it in like 2 weeks.
That's so good. I'm so excited for you. I love my thing. I'm in there like every day.
I got the tall one. The one that you have to you sit in there.
That's a new one, right?
It's like a box.
Yeah. Oh, I think right. Yeah, I have the long one. Long boy. Yeah.
Those things are sweet.
They're great. We can fit 2 people, so I'll plunge with my friends. Yeah. I plunge with my friend or my partner. It's like fun.